In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot step by step. If you're booking meetings with Calendly and managing leads inside HubSpot, connecting these two tools will automatically sync contacts, track meetings, and save you a huge amount of manual work. By the end of this tutorial, your Calendly bookings will flow directly into HubSpot without you having to lift a finger. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation bar. From there, click on Breeze and then select Marketplace. This will take you to the HubSpot app Marketplace, where you can browse and install integrations that connect with your HubSpot account. Once you're inside the Marketplace, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Click into the search bar and type in Calendly. Press Enter, and you should see the official Calendly integration appear in the results. Make sure you select the correct Calendly app so you're installing the verified integration. Next, click on the Calendly app listing. You'll see an overview page explaining what the integration does, including syncing meetings, creating contacts, and logging activity automatically. Go ahead and click the Install App button. HubSpot will now begin the connection process. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to log into your Calendly account. Enter your Calendly credentials and authorize the connection. This step is important because it allows HubSpot and Calendly to securely share booking data. Once you approve access, the two platforms will be connected. Now comes one of the most important parts, choosing your sync settings. After the connection is successful, HubSpot will ask how you want Calendly data to sync with your CRM. You'll see several configuration options. First, you can choose to create new HubSpot contacts automatically whenever someone books a meeting through Calendly. This ensures that every new booking becomes a contact inside your CRM without manual entry. Second, you can enable updating existing contacts. This means if someone already exists in HubSpot and books a meeting through Calendly, their contact profile will be updated instead of creating a duplicate. Third, you can add meeting activity to the contact timeline. When this option is enabled, every booking will appear on the contact's activity feed as a meeting booked through Calendly. This is extremely useful for sales teams because it keeps a full record of interactions in one place. Finally, you can map Calendly fields to HubSpot properties. This allows you to decide exactly where information like phone numbers, company names, or custom questions will appear inside HubSpot. Take a moment to review and customize these sync settings so your data flows exactly the way you want. Once you've selected your preferred sync settings, confirm and save your configuration. At this point, your integration is fully active. From now on, every time someone books a meeting through Calendly, their information will automatically sync to HubSpot based on the rules you set. To test everything, you can create a test booking in Calendly and then check HubSpot to confirm that the contact was created or updated correctly and that the meeting activity appears on the timeline. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with HubSpot. This automation can dramatically improve your workflow, reduce manual data entry, and make sure your sales or marketing team never misses a booked meeting. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on HubSpot, Calendly, and other business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.